Hello everybody, welcome to our zoology practical class. So now we have cardium. So in Latin word cardium in the sense heart. So this is a mammalian heart which is made with four chambers. So upper chambers are known as auricles, lower chambers are known as ventricles. So the shape is pear fruit shape or else conical flask shape roughly approximately. So this is anterior surface, posterior surface. So anterior one is slightly narrow. The apex is slightly narrow. The posterior one is slightly broader. So this is a broader surface. So here we could observe a groove, deep groove. This is known as a coronary sulcus. So here also we could observe groove, and this is also one of the groove. So here exactly this groove has the coronary vessels supply. We could observe here. So small root like structure, taproot like structure. So this is known as a coronary vessel, coronary artery, and coronary veins also located, but here pure and impure blood we are unable to differentiate because we knew heart is a hollow muscular organ. So four chambers are located. So this is one of the chamber. So I am trying to insert the finger. So this is one of the chamber. We are observing external features just. So these are the tubes, nothing but vessels. Superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, main aorta, systemic artery here. It was cut already. So if we observe the internal structure of heart, then clearly the chambers and chordae tendineae, papillary muscles, valves also we can be seen. So this muscular organ is uh, functioning like a pumping organ of blood. Circulation is a double circulation, and the heart is called double circuit heart because twice blood enters into the heart before completion of single circulation, because this is a double circuit heart, mammalian heart. Actually this is a goat's heart. A goat heart and humans and remaining types of mammals and averagely same, except that size and weight. The weight is approximately 300 grams, but in female organisms 50 or 60 grams are lesser than in men. So we knew the rule, the size and function of the beat of the heart is inversely proportional to weight. So when the weight and size of the heart is reduced, then the functioning and heartbeat is increased. So the biggest mammal, blue whale, that is the biggest heart through which persons can swim through the vessels of the blue whale heart. And mammalian heartbeat and average 70 to 80, averagely 72. Study of heart is called cardiology, and the expert is known as a cardiologist. So here heart is made with cardiac muscles, the special muscles. So the heart is formed when the embryo is at 21st day in the mother's womb. Then the heart will be beating continuously until death of the person or the organism successfully. So due to the excess of cholesterol and salts and minerals and spicy food items consumption, these coronary vessels may be blocked and it leads the pain and disturbance in the heartbeat is called heart attack. So per minute 72 times approximately heart will be beating. Each and every beat is known as a cardiac cycle. In each cardiac cycle 70 ml of blood is pumped out. That is called stroke volume. So per minute the blood is pumped out around and approximately 5 liters, that is called cardiac output. So this is auricle, this portion, this one also auricle, this is a ventricle, and this one also ventricle. This is a left ventricle, the toughest and thickest chamber than remaining all three chambers. Heartbeat creates the sound lub and dub. Lub sound pressure is 120 mm per Hg. Dub sound pressure is 80 mm per Hg. So the BP is an and averagely 120 by 80 mm per Hg. So dear everybody, this is the external features of or morphological features of mammalian heart. Then in one more class we will be discussed with the internal structure of the heart. Thank you.